student in sixth session from your textbook chapter number 13 magnetic effect of electric current. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the electromagnetic induction, electricity from magnetism, Fleming's right hand rule for the direction of induced current, direct current and alternating current. So today we are going to discuss about the electric generator. Electric generator is a machine for producing electric current or electricity. Okay, so the electric generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So electrical generator क्या करता है? It convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so a small generator is called a dynamo. For example, generator used on bicycle for lighting purpose is called a bicycle dynamo. Okay, so now principle of electric generator. The electric generator is an application of electromagnetic induction. Electric generator works on principle that when a straight conductor is moved in a magnetic field, then current is induced in the conductor. In an electric generator, a rectangular coil is made to rotate rapidly in a magnetic field between the poles of a horseshoe type magnet. When the coil rotates, it cuts the magnetic field line, due to which a current is produced in the coil. Electric generator are of two types: alternating current generator or AC generator, and second direct current generator or DC generator. Clear this one? An electric generator is shown in figure consists of a rotating rectangular coil A, B, C, D placed between the two poles of permanent magnet, means N pole and S pole. The two ends of this coil are connected to the rings R1 and R2. Clear this one? R1 or R2 से connected to two ends of this coil. The inner side of these rings are made insulated. The two conducting stationary brushes B1 and B2 are kept pressed separately on the rings B1 and B2 respectively. So the two rings R1 and R2 are internally attached to an axle. ओके सो जो R1 और R2 रिंग है वो इंटरनली किससे कनेक्टेड है? एक्सेल से. तो एक्सेल में भी मैकेनिकली रोटेट. तो एक्सेल कैसे होता है? रोटेट होता है मैकेनिकली फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू रोटेट द कॉइल इनसाइड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, आउटर एंड्स ऑफ द टू ब्रुशेस आर कनेक्टेड टू द गैल्वेनोमीटर. और जो ब्रुशेस है वो किससे कनेक्टेड है? गैल्वेनोमीटर से. ओके, टू शो द फ्लो ऑफ करंट इन द गिवन एक्सटर्नल सर्किट. तो फिर उसमें गैल्वेनो पॉइंटर में अगर डिफ्लेक्शन होता है, इट मीन्स देयर इज ए करंट इज फ्लोइंग. ओके, व्हेन द एक्सेल अटैच्ड टू द टू रिंग्स इज रोटेट सच दैट द आर्म AB moves up, okay, and the arm CD moves down in the magnetic field produced by the permanent magnet. Clear this one? Let us say that coil ABCD, okay, is rotate clockwise. कैसी rotate हो रही है वो? Clockwise in the arrangement shown in that figure. So by applying Fleming's right hand rule, the induced current are set up in these arms along the direction AB and CD. Thus an induced current flow in the direction ABCD. So if there are larger number of turns in the coil, अगर coil में larger number of turns होंगे, the current generated in each turn adds up to give a large current through the coil. Okay, the जितने number of turn होंगे उतना ही ज्यादा current generate होगा. This means that current in the external circuit flow from B to B1. तो current कैसा flow होगा? B to B1. After half a rotation, जब half rotation complete हो, arm CD start moving up. तो CD up side मूवमेंट करेगी and AB moving down, और AB की तरफ मूव करेगी down. As a result, the direction of induced currents in both the arms change. Okay, तो क्या होगा? both the arm current changes हो जाएगा by half rotation. So giving rise to net induced current in the direction DCBA. तो अब करंट कैसा फ्लो होगा? DCBA. The current in the external circuit now flow from B1 to B2. So thus after every half rotation, the polarity of the current in the respective arm changes Such a current which changes direction after equal interval of time means इस टाइप का करंट जो डायरेक्शन चेंज करते रहता है आफ्टर इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम इज कॉल्ड एन अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. तो इसे कौन सा करंट कहते हैं? अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. और दिस डिवाइस इज कॉल्ड एन एसी जनरेटर. तो इस डिवाइस को क्या कहते हैं? एसी जनरेटर. नाउ टू गेट डायरेक्ट करंट, अब आपको इससे डायरेक्ट करना है तो टू गेट डायरेक्ट करंट डीसी which does not change its direction with time. Okay, so to get a direct current a split ring type commutator must be used. Okay, इसमें अब क्या यूज करना है आपको? commutator must be used. With this arrangement one brush is at all times in contact. तो उसमें एक ब्रश हमेशा कांटेक्ट में आते रहता है. with the arm moving up in the field while the other is in contact with the arm moving down. Okay, एक जब मूविंग अप करती है आर्म तो कांटेक्ट में आता है और एक जब मूविंग डाउन होता है तब कांटेक्ट में आता है. ओके, सो वी हैव सीन द वर्किंग ऑफ स्प्लिट रिंग कम्यूटेटर इन द केस ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर. सो दस अ यूनिडायरेक्शनल करंट इज प्रोड्यूस. तो इससे क्या होगा? यूनिडायरेक्शनल करंट इज प्रोड्यूस एंड द जनरेटर इज दस कॉल्ड ए डीसी जनरेटर. तो इसे कौन सा जनरेटर कहते हैं? डीसी जनरेटर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. Okay, in our homes we receive supply of electric power through a main supply. Homes में जो electrical power supply होता है, so that is from main supply are also called mains. Okay, either supported through overhead electric poles or by underground cables. So one of the wire in this supply usually with red insulation cover is called live wire. Okay, और पॉजिटिव जो रेड कलर का जो वायर रहता है इंसुलेटेड कवर दैट इज कॉल्ड द लाइव वायर और पॉजिटिव वायर. अनदर वायर विद ब्लैक इंसुलेशन और जो ब्लैक कलर का इंसुलेशन होता है इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रल वायर. तो उसे कौन सा वायर कहते हैं? न्यूट्रल वायर और निगेटिव वायर. इन आवर कंट्री द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू is 220 volt. At the meter board in the house, these wires pass into an electricity meter through a main fuse. Through the main switch they are connected to the lines wire. Okay, in the houses, so these wires supply electricity to separate circuit within the house. Often the two separate circuit are used. One of 15 ammeter current, 15 ammeter current rating for appliances with higher power rating such as geyser, air coolers etc. आपने घर में देखा होगा कि जिसमें जो गीजर, ओके, फ्रीज, टीवी, जो भी जिसमें ये सब कनेक्टेड रहता है तो उसका पावर सप्लाई जो रहता है वो डिफरेंट रहता है ए नॉर्मल जो ट्यूब लाइट. सो द अदर सर्किट इज ऑफ 5 per meter current rating, okay, for bulbs, fan etc. The earth wire which has insulation of green color is usually connected to a metal plate deep in the earth near the house. Okay, और जो earth wire रहता है that is green in color and it is connected to metal plate deep in the earth near the house. Clear this one? So this is used as a safety measure. तो इसलिए इसको क्यों यूज किया जाता है? अर्थ वायर को सेफ्टी मेजर पर्पज. So especially for those appliances that have a metallic body, for example electric press, toaster, table fan, refrigerator etc. So the metallic body is connected to the earth wire which provides a low resistance conducting path for the current. So thus it ensures that any leakage of current to the metallic body of the appliances keeps its potential to that of the earth and the user may not get severe electric shock. Clear this one? In this figure, give a simple diagram of one of the common domestic circuit. In each separate circuit, different appliances can be connected across the live and neutral wire. Each appliances has a separate switch to on and off. आप सभी appliances के लिए separate switch रहते हैं to on and off the flow of current through it in order that each appliances has equal potential difference. So सभी में एक जैसा equal potential difference supply होता है. They are connected parallel to each other. क्योंकि वो कैसे connected रहते हैं? Parallel to each other. Now next one, earthing in electrical appliances. Some time of other we have received an electric shock. कभी कभी इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक लगता है. ओके, from an electric iron or room cooler. So we will now discuss why we get the electric shock and how it can be prevented. Clear this one? In order to work an electrical appliances like an electric iron, electric kettle or a room cooler, we need two wires of the supply line. Okay, we need two wires of the supply line, the live wire and neutral wire. Sometimes due to wear and tear or due to excessive heating, the plastic covering of the connecting wire gets removed or get burned, and the live wire, which is at a high potential of 220 volts, okay, becomes naked. तो वो कैसा हो जाता है, मतलब उसकी ऊपर की जो कवरिंग रहती है इंसुलेटेड, वो कैसी हो जाती है, मीन्स ब्रेक हो जाती है. ओके, सो दिस नेक्ड वायर में टच द मेटल केस. तो ये किससे मीन्स टच हो जाता है, मेटल केस, अ मेटल बॉडी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस. ओके, ड्यू टू विच द केस बिकम्स live and comes to high voltage of 220 volt. So if फिर मीन्स उससे वो टच हो जाता है और becomes live and electrical appliances due to which the case becomes live and comes to the high voltage of 220 volts. If we happen to touch any part of this live appliances, फिर आप उसके एक भी पार्ट को जब टच करते हो, a very high current flow through our body. तो बहुत ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो होता है अपनी बॉडी में. ओके, इनटू द अर्थ, और वो कहाँ से, थ्रू आवर बॉडी इनटू द अर्थ. ड्यू टू दिस हाई करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू आवर बॉडी, we get an electric shock. It has been found that we do not get an electric shock if we are standing on a wooden plank. Okay, electric shock तब नहीं लगता है जब आप wooden plank पे खड़े होते हो. Okay, this is due to the fact that wood acts as an insulator. Wood क्या है, it is an insulator, and the circuit of current with earth does not get completed through our body. To avoid the risk of electric shock, the metal body of an electrical appliances is earth. तो इसलिए उसको क्या दिया जाता है, अर्थ दिया जाता है, अर्थिंग. Clear this one? We earth the metallic body of an electrical appliances to save ourselves from the electric shock. Clear this one? So the red colored wire is the live wire, the black colored wire is neutral wire, whereas green wire is the earth wire. Clear this one? Now next one, electric fuse. Okay, the electric wires used in domestic wiring are made of copper metal because copper is good conductor of electricity, having very low resistance. Okay, so now the copper wires chosen for household wiring are of such thickness so as to allow a certain maximum current to pass through them. If the current passing through wire exceed this maximum value, the copper wires get overheated and may even causes a fire. An extremely large current can flow in domestic wiring under two circumstances. Okay, means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जब करंट जब फ्लो होता है तो टू सर्कमटेंस की वजह से होता है. ओके, शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग एंड ओवरलोडिंग. फर्स्ट इज शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग. शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग, if the plastic insulation of the live wire and neutral wire gets torn, then two wire touch each other, means उससे क्या होगा, जब उनकी ऊपर की जो कवरिंग रहती है इंसुलेटेड, तो वो ब्रेकेज हो जाती है और दोनों वायर आपस में टच हो जाते हैं. सो दिस टचिंग ऑफ द लाइव वायर एंड न्यूट्रल वायर डायरेक्टली इज नोन एज द शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग. तो इसे ही क्या कहते हैं, शॉर्ट सर्किटिंग. तो when the two wire touches each other, the resistance of the circuit so formed is very very small. Since the resistance is very small, current flowing through the wire becomes very large. Okay, resistance कम हो जाता है और जो current flow है वो कैसा हो जाता है, very high, very large, and heats the wires to a dangerously high temperature and fire may be started. Dangerously high temperature, जो बहुत ज़्यादा heated हो जाएगा तो temperature high होगा और temperature high होगा, it means that fire may be start. Clear this one? Next one is overloading. So the current flowing in domestic wiring at a particular time depends on the power rating of the appliances being used. Okay, so if too many electrical appliances of high power rating, means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा electrical powers high rating पे अगर work होते हैं, okay, like electric iron, water heater, air conditioner are switched on at the same time, एक ही टाइम पे, मीन्स तीनों के स्विच को यूज किया जाता है, ऑन किया जाता है, they draw an extremely large current from the circuit. Okay, this is known as overloading the circuit. तो इसे क्या कहते हैं? Overloading the circuit. So overloading can also occur if too many appliances are connected to a single socket. Now due to an extremely large current flowing through them, the copper wires of household wiring get heated to a very high temperature. Okay, and a fire may be started. तो इसमें भी सेम होगा, जब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मीन्स करंट फ्लो हो रहा है तो wire get heated at very high temperature, and if temperature is high it means that fire may be started. Clear this one? So it is obvious that we should have some device which may disconnect the electricity supply when a short circuit or overloading occurs, so that the electric fires are prevented in our homes. To avoid this danger of electric fires, we use an electric fuse in the wiring. So when a building is wired, the wiring is protected by fuses. A fuse is a safety device having a short length of thin tin plated copper wire having low melting point which melts and break the circuit. Means वो क्या होता है? Melt हो जाता है और break the circuit if the current exceeds of a safe value. So the thickness and length of the fuse wire depend on the maximum current allowed through the circuit. Clear this one? So an electric fuse works on the heating effect of current that already we studied in previous chapter, that electricity. Okay, so the fuse for protecting our domestic wiring is fitted just above our main switch on the switch board. So a fuse wire is connected in series in the electric circuits. Clear this one? Now next one, precaution in use of electricity. To avoid the hazards like electric shock or electric fires, we should observe the following precaution in the use of electricity. First, if a person accidentally touches a live electric wire or if an electric fire is started in the house, the main switch should be turned off at once so as to cut off the electricity supply. This will prevent the fire from the spreading. And next, person who happens to touch the live electric wire should be provided an insulated support of wood, plastic or rubber. We should never try to pull away the person who is in contact with the live wire, otherwise we will also get a shock. So third, all the electrical appliances like electric iron, cooler, refrigerator should be given earth connection to save ourselves from the risk of electric shock. Now next one, all the switches should be put in the live wire of the alternating current circuit. Okay, so that when the switch is turned off, the appliances get disconnected from the live wire and there is no risk of electric shock. Next one, we should never operate switches of electrical appliances with wet hands. Okay. Now next, the fuse should always be connected in the live wire of the circuit. The fuse wire should be of proper rating and material. We should never use a copper wire as fuse wire because a copper wire has a very high current rating, due to which a copper wire fuse cannot protect the wiring against the short circuit and overloading. The household wiring should be done by using good quality wires having proper thickness and insulation. All the wire connection with switches, socket and plug should be tight, and all the wire joints should be covered with insulated adhesive tape. Okay, so defective switches, socket and plug should be replaced immediately. Clear this one?